Welcome back to our introductory session on teaching with three-dimensional design in Tinkercad. My name is Jennifer Robb, and we're going to move into our second activity for this session, where you'll be creating your own design in Tinkercad and reflecting on the process. And I'm going to ask you to submit something for this one. Now that you understand the basic controls and some of the more advanced ones in Tinkercad, we are going to ask you to complete a design challenge. For this, you have two options and you can pick which one you would like to complete. The first option is to try to recreate a building or a place in your community that inspires you or is important to you. Use the different shapes and features in Tinkercad to do your best to recreate this place. The second option is to create your character in Tinkercad. This can be an avatar, a monster, an animal, any real or made-up character you want to create. Completing one of these design challenges is the first part of this assignment. The second part will be to reflect on the process of creating your design. Once you are finished working in Tinkercad, please click on the Google form linked in this slide or in the notes below and answer the following questions in English as well as you can. First, give us your name, of course, and then tell us what you created in Tinkercad. What features did you think were important to include? Next, I'm going to ask you to upload an image of your finished design in Tinkercad. This is where you'll use that Send To option to download a picture of your design. You can upload that here. Then, tell us what you enjoyed about designing in Tinkercad, and also what you found challenging about designing in Tinkercad. Finally, describe how you might use this tool for STEAM learning. You might talk about how you would introduce it to your class, or an idea maybe for a STEAM activity or a lesson. And then if there's anything else you'd like to share, we'd like to hear that too. So just to recap, you are going to choose one of the two design challenges here, and then you're going to head over to this Google form to tell us a little bit about your experience creating in Tinkercad. Take some time to do that, and when you are finished, if you have time, you can move on to the next video, which looks at Tinkercad's Classrooms feature to make teaching with Tinkercad even easier.